We've had this current charger for a long time. We have a new version that's coming out, and I want to just take you through some of the features of this charger. A couple of the features of this charger that we offer is it has selectable battery types, and you can go in and adjust the battery type per bank for your batteries. So it does a good job, precision job of charging AGM batteries, flooded batteries, and gel batteries. We do mention that it will support lithium batteries as well. You will need to check with the battery manufacturer to get the correct setting, but most lithium manufacturers are going to suggest using our AGM setting. So this is a good solid product. We are recognizing lithium as up and coming technology. So we do have a new charger coming out here shortly that will do an optimal job supporting lithium batteries. Same features as our current product, just with the addition of lithium support. A couple of the advantages of using the lithium setting on this type of charger versus this one is, as we mentioned, you set this for AGM setting. It will work, it's safe to use, but this one is dialed in specifically for lithium and will actually provide you a much quicker charge response over the AGM setting on our current product. A couple ways that it does that is the lithium battery does have a lot of technology inside the battery itself. The battery management system, or BMS, does support quite a bit of the charging process. So this charger is able to recognize that BMS, and it works with that BMS to give you the best, fastest charge possible. A couple other things that we've talked about with the BMS is that it has the ability to shut the battery off in conditions that can be damaging to the battery. I used my battery too long. It got too hot. The maximum current that was attempted to pull out of the battery was met. So the battery will shut itself off. Well, when that battery shuts off, it needs to be turned back on before it can actually be charged. So a couple things you can do there. If you have this charger, you can plug it right into the wall, and it actually has technology in this charger that will attempt to turn that battery back on. So you don't have to do anything. Again, we put all the intelligence in the charger, plug it in the wall, and it will turn the battery back on in a lot of cases. In cases that the charger does not turn the battery back on, then you're forced with the situation as the battery is not recognizing that, or the load on your battery is still too great for the turn-on feature of this charger to work. So you have to electrically disconnect everything from your lithium battery. Generally, that will turn the battery back on, rehook everything up, plug the charger in, you're ready to go. Another thing to mention on this is we have this lithium battery turn-on feature built into the charger, and we only allow that feature to activate when the charger is first plugged in, and it only works for a few times, a set amount of times. And after a few attempts, then it says, I'm not able to detect the battery, or I'm not able to turn on your lithium battery. So it will flash an error code. And again, error codes are found right on your charger cable. So all that information is built right onto the charger.